Hello everyone. In previous class we have already discussed about the various type of the properties of the substances on the basis of which we can categorize the substances into the different group. So just like is the hardness and the what is the we can say the physical appearance. So there are various type of the properties we see in the previous classes on the basis of which we can categorize the substances. So in this class we discussed about the methods of the separation of the substances. So we write here the first method is the threshing. So threshing is generally used in the rural areas for removing the husk for clean the wheat. So we write here that when the crop of the wheat is cut from the field, it is packed in the form of the bundles and for drying, and after it is drying, the stalk have to be removed to obtain the clean wheat. So for this purpose, the threshing machine is used. Once I repeat, when the crop of the wheat is cut from the field, is packed in the form of the bundles for drying, and after it is drying, stalk have to be removed to obtain the clean wheat. So for this purpose we can use the threshing machine. And after that, next one is the winnowing. So winnowing, what is the winnowing? So a farmer gets a mixture of the chaff and grain. So we can say the chaff or we can say the husk after the threshing. So when we completed the threshing, then the farmer gets a mixture of the chaff and the grains after the threshing. So in order to separate the chaff from the grain, a farmer adopts the methods of the winnowing. Now the next one is the hand picking. So hand picking, it is the common method which is used in our home. So it is the common method which is used at home when you see your mother hand picking the small pieces of the stones or the grains from the rice. So pulses and spices and before cooking the food. Once I repeat, hand picking. So this method is commonly generally used in the home. So when you see your mother hand picking a small pieces of the stone or the grains from the rice or pulses or spices before cooking the food. Now the next method is the sieving. So in sieving, when the sand pieces of the rock and seeds are very small, then this method is used. In this method, but not for the wheat, then this method is used. The wheat with impurities is put in the sieve and move from side to side, and thus the impurities goes down from the sieve. So these are the some method which is used for the separation of the substances. So thanks for watching my video.